Welcome to the Flux Capacity Deep Dive video series. We'll get started in this video by showing you the core components of Flux Resource Management. Flux Resources are the foundation of the Flux Capacity app. A Flux Resource is a custom object that connects a Salesforce and TaskRay user or a queue to the Flux Capacity app. The Flux Resource Record establishes important settings that drive the Flux Capacity reporting engine. Those settings include utilization settings, business day settings, team memberships, and time away. Let's dive into each of those four settings. First, a Flux resource is established with a daily utilization target. In this case, Dan is targeted to 7 hours per day. We also give flexibility to separate that more granularly into billable versus non-billable time. That is broken down into a percentage. In your model or in your business, if you do not separate billable versus non-billable, you can simply leave one of those at 100. Utilization targets are set to a daily increment. This gives you the ability to measure utilization at any custom date range you desire. You are not limited to measuring utilization in weekly or monthly increments, which is especially important if you manage to a quarterly, monthly, or annual utilization target. Business day settings. The business day setting drives how we distribute TaskRay hours across a date range. The default is Monday through Friday, which is a standard working schedule. But for some resources who may work a non-standard schedule, in this case, Katie only works Monday through Thursday and always has Fridays off. Flux Capacity will support that and will skip Friday when distributing TaskRay tasks across the task's date range. Resource team members are important, and they give a flexible way to organize your resources into groups for purposes of assigning tasks and measuring availability and performance. Flux teams can be set up in one of the following configurations. Roles such as analysts, developer, architect, trainers, project managers. Skill levels such as analyst, senior analyst. Business functions such as client support, implementation, marketing, finance, or any other way you determine is meaningful for your business. In this demo instance, we are working with teams that have been established based on business roles, for example, trainer and project manager. In a situation where resources wear many hats and is a member of multiple teams, the resource can be added to multiple teams, as is shown here with Katie Brewer, who is a member of the training team as well as the project manager team. Resource allocations are applied to each team, and this drives the resource's targeted availability for that team. The last major component of Flux Resource Management is the ability to account for time away. It is critically important to consider time away to fully understand resource capacity. Flux Capacity provides both company plans, which include days off, which are granted to all members of that time away plan. Those typically include days like Thanksgiving, Christmas, New Year's, etc. The second type of time away is an individual time away record. In this case, Katie has requested a few days off before Christmas on the 23rd and 24th. Individual time away can be requested in either full day or half day increments.